Okay. And we're going to use a little machine here just to work some of this soft tissue here, okay? So he had some tenderness right in here. Tightness right here. Had some tightness right in the low back. We're going to try to loosen it up with the machine here. There's tenderness right here, right? Yeah. Tender here? Is there tender in there? Ticklish, okay. Tender here, ticklish over here, right?
Yeah.
Remember earlier when I was touching your back and I got to this spot and it locked up, it felt like it locked up your low back?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what I was noting as I was palpating it as well. Good. All right. Very good. I'm going to use a little bit of lotion there. Okay. A little bit of lotion here. All right.